These are just 4 very simple sounds that I've created. The first one I just created a simple brass myself, but the next 3 I took from the Prophet 5 patch book, and I don't know which revision or which Prophet 5 it's from, but this is a simple brass. There's a bit of reverb from the effects and an assembly in there, but other than that it's just pretty straightforward. Then I created this one, which is low strings, straight from the Prophet 5 book. And the same with this one, muted clav. I don't know what it's supposed to sound like. And then finally a unison sound. In fact, that's not in unison mode, although it should be. There you go. So that's 4 simple sounds programmed in a few minutes with not much attention to detail.